Okay, now we have seen our vowels, we've recited them. Let's now go to the division we have in the Igbo vowels. Okay, so in the Igbo vowels, we have two groups. The vowels are divided into two groups. So group in Igbo is Otu. Yes, Otu. I know some of you will say, but Otu is one. No, that one is Otu. Otu, Igbo is a tonal language, so you can have the same spelling for two different words that sound different, okay? So Otu is one, but I'm talking about Otu. Otu. So Otu in Igbo is group. So we have two groups of the vowels. We have group A, and we have group E. All right, so in Igbo we say we have Otu A, and then we also have Otu E. Great, let's say them again. Otu A, again, Otu A, then the second one, Otu E. Beautiful. Now you can look on your screen to see the groupings and then the members of each group. Remember, we said we have 8 vowels. Now let's see how they are grouped. The members of Otu A have A as their leader. The members of Otu E have E as their leader. Okay, so now let's see other vowels in the two groups. So for Otu A, A is the leader. Then you have all the vowels dotted under. All the vowels dotted under are all in Otu A. Okay, so you have the first vowel dotted under, which is E. E is the second member of Otu A. Then you have O. O is the second member of Otu A. And then you have O. Olo. Remember Olo. O is the last member of Otu A. Okay, so we go to Otu E. We have E as the first member, followed by E, second member, followed by O, third member, followed by U, last member. Okay, now let's talk about the rules in spelling Igbo words. Great job so far, guys. I hope we understand the vowels, the vowel groups, and then we'll still understand what is about to be said.